Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Keith with the Tulsa Moto Club, and today we power through procrastination. Since my last video, I've been procrastinating quite a bit. Now I can blame some of that on the responsibilities of my day job or the fact that we've been getting a lot of bad weather off and on here in Tulsa, but an equal portion, if not more, falls on me just being lazy and a little unmotivated. Anyway, long story short, the whole plan was to tear down the SR250 to a rolling frame and an engine, just so that I could move forward with the design process and so that I could start buying parts that I needed. But before I started work on the SR250, I decided to tear down the rest of the CM200's frame. Consider it a warm-up. Now getting the CM200 frame stripped down was surprisingly easy. Almost every single nut and bolt on this thing was less than finger tight. I just wish I could have said the same for the engine. Now once all that was said and done, it was time to call it a day. And with the next bit of free time I had, I took the opportunity to learn a little bit about welding. I've been wanting to start learning how to weld a lot lately, and just haven't really had the opportunity or the avenue to do so. My buddy Alex spent some time teaching me the ropes, and even taught me how to lay my first bead. He's also a pretty badass motorcycle builder, so I'll make sure to leave his Instagram linked in the description below so you can check it out. Thanks again, Alex. Now once I carved out the time, I finally got started on the SR250. Really, aside from the occasional nut or screw that just won't move, taking apart a motorcycle is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you document everything, that way you know how to put it all back together when all's said and done. Building a custom motorcycle can feel intimidating, but for me, the disassembly process removes most of my anxieties and gives me the excitement and the motivation I still need to complete the build. So obviously, by the amount of different outfits I have on this video, it took me a while to finally get the SR250 stripped down, but eventually we got there. And with that, I'm going to end this video. Now that both project bikes are stripped down, it's time to start making any frame modifications I need to make, as well as some electronics trays. That's the next plan of attack. So if you don't want to miss out on seeing these builds progress, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if you like this video, hit me with a thumbs up. I'll throw a couple other videos up too that I think you might enjoy. And if you have any questions about anything, make sure to hit me in the comments down below. As always, all my other social media and the website and everything else will be linked in the description, so make sure you check those out. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.